On Wednesday, before he escaped from obligation, I understand that he worked in the code room. That was the 23rd.
Wednesday the 23rd. Yes, I remember Wednesday. We were all there, 5 of us, until well past 4 o'clock.
Do you happen to remember that he used the phone around 2:30?
Lieutenant, there is no telephone in the code room.
But I saw Mr. Sally use one of the yellow one on the wall.
That's the tie-line to the embassy in Washington. There's no outside telephone line for security reasons. We're sort of prisoners in there.
Oh, I see. That smells like beef. Is that beef?
Don't know.
I think it's beef. That's beef. Give it a taste.
Lieutenant,
Malesh Khali. Khali.
you mustn't touch anything. What are you doing here?
Lieutenant. Mr. Sala, I'm sorry. I'm in the way here. No, it's quite all right. Would you like some of it? It is prepared expressly for the king. Oh, I couldn't eat the king's food. But you are a guest, Lieutenant, and His Majesty is a gracious host. Please, here, you must try some of this. Oh, please. I didn't realize that this was the king's food. Thank you very much. Delicious. Thank you. I guess I forgot how hungry I was. It's a pleasure. Oh, by the way, I checked out the wrapper. You know, the one that was wrapped around the $10,000 that we found on Mr. Habib. Yes, I remember, Lieutenant. Wouldn't you be more comfortable sitting down? Shukar.
Lieutenant, would you excuse me, please?
Thank you very much. Anyway, it turns out that Mr. Habib's $10,000 didn't come from your safe after all. Now, you must be mistaken, Lieutenant. Where would a minor clerk like Rahman Habib get $10,000? Unless it was from the robbery. Well, I couldn't figure that out either, but there is no mistaking about the money that this wrapper was holding together. You can see by the mark. This is delicious.